He brewed one light until the sun went down. Filled with jug and he passed it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, Pap was going to squeeze and what you like it. Well, G-men and revenues too, searching for a place where he made it through. They were looking around, booking for my Pappy kept cooking. What you like it. Way I do, and my eyes bugged down and were frank.